Okay, got the CNC table set up with a spoiler board. I tore some cabinets out at our house and had some leftover boards to get rid of, so we're going to do the same thing in the previous video. We're going to run the system, only this time we're going to be cutting. And it's going to be pretty noisy because I'm going to turn this router on, so you won't be able to probably hear anything but the router. I can go back and edit that out, but I like the raw video with the phones better. It gives everybody a real picture of how the machine's performing and what's going on. And I think we're good to go. So that's all on. I'm going to go over here, check my zeros are all good. Yeah, so we're at home position. Everything's good to go. I'm going to go to this other screen now. Let's see. I'm going to go back to the program run screen. So I prefer to be on. Hit regen toolpath over here. Alright, before I start the program, remember to turn the router on, because if you don't, it's going to plunge down with the bit and snap it off and cause the machine to miss steps. Okay, so here goes. Get ready for some noise. So we're going to hit cycle start. Seems to be about the right speed so far. So we're cutting out the C. Okay. This one's in about 1/8 of an inch. So, not a combo. I'm going to open up this door over here so we get the sawdust out. Okay, there we go. Okay, zipping along. About 41 inches a minute. These routers spin pretty high speed, so probably need to move pretty quick with it. This seems to be a decent speed though, overall. And this is real time, not speeding the video up. This is what you're actually looking at. Say you're building signs or cutting out parts, you're going to get a certain speed on the open loop step motor system. This is probably one of the most economical systems you can buy and put together yourself. The next one I do is probably going to be a closed loop stepper system. video there. I'll let it keep cutting, and we'll do some more parts today. But there's just kind of an idea. If you're going to use this machine to build signage, commercial signs, it would be a good machine for that. You could build several machines like this, or you could build a bigger table. But either way, it is performing really well.